We have a lot of customers ask us, what's the ideal thermostat setting? And I think what they're really asking is, well, how hot do I have to keep it in order to keep my bill as low as possible? And so the ideal setting, a lot of people keep their homes different here in Tucson. Some people keep it as high as 82 and that will absolutely affect your bill. It'll be lower. Other people keep it as low as 72, but they might have a really efficient design on the AC system. The ducts are done really well, and so they might have a low bill as well. Now, if you have a bad design or an old inefficient system and you're keeping it 72, you're probably gonna have a hefty utility bill. So there's not really a perfect temperature setting. What the utility company would say is keep it at 78 and higher, but that's a little warm for me. One of the other questions we get asked as it relates to the temperature settings is, if I leave for work and I'm gone all day, how much should I raise the temperature up so that it's not cooling all day long? And then what can I bring it back down to without having it just crank and just really run a lot and waste energy on the back end? So the answer to that question is, it depends. It depends on what time you're coming home. If you're leaving and coming home between the hours of 4 and 6, you probably shouldn't raise it as much, because then when you come home, we're still in the very peak temperatures of the day, and it's gonna have to work really hard to get the temperature down. But on the other hand, if you're coming home after the sun is down, it's already starting to cool, that's the easiest time for the air conditioner to do its job. So then it's really easy. Raise it up, 4 or 5 degrees during the day. If you're coming home at 7 or 8 at night, or whenever the sun's going down that time of year, it'll easily do its job and you will save money. So with both of those questions, what we know you're really asking is, how do I save as much money as possible and be comfortable? Well, those are really on opposite ends of the spectrum. If you want to save the most amount of money, just turn the AC off. Now, we know you're really not going to do that, so stay comfortable. And if you want to stay comfortable and have a very efficient system, have us out to come take a look. We can do an analysis of the home and the system, make sure you're running as efficiently as possible. Our number is 520-888-8787, and our website is iDesignAC.com.